you can start a Zoom meeting immediately. And you can also start a scheduled meeting, a meeting that you set up probably a week ago. You can also start it. The process is the same. So if you want to start a meeting immediately that you did not schedule, on your home page, you see where it says host. You click that, it will automatically start. It's the same process with a scheduled meeting. We have this meeting with Brian. So we simply click where it says start, and it will then prompt us to open the Zoom Meetings app. We click that and the app will start to open.
Recording in progress.
As you can hear, I had set it up so that it starts to record the moment we start the meeting. So we will now wait for the participants to get in. But in my case, the participants will have to get into a waiting room. As you can notice, Brian is trying to enter into the meeting. So we simply click admit and the person will be added into the meeting. How do you see the person? You simply click participants. As you can see, Brian is joined. Now, once that is done, how do you end the meeting? That is quite simple. You simply come here where it says end and you click that and it will say end meeting for all. And once you do that, the meeting is ended. So that's how you start and end a meeting on Zoom. So if this video helped you, just make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a tutorial on Zoom advanced features. So I'll see you in the next video.